Hello everyone, this is KinCony IOT. Last some videos, we have used the Node-Red and the Raspberry Pi write the diagram for the relief bird country, and also we can read all sensor data from the Node-Red. And in this video, I will tell you how to use this new smart home wireless gateway to control the device by the infrared remote, like this TV, air conditioning, and the fans. So we can use this infrared. So we can use this remote run the signal to like this HomeKit to control the fans, because this in summer is very hot. So I choose the fans for example to take for example how to control this IR remote device. For example, this is HomeKit. We have added the fans. We can input and open the fans, and also we can turn in the direction like this. It will be left and right move, and also we can stop turning, and close the fans. So let's look at how to make this project by Node-Red. Okay, let's begin. We can see this is I have created the diagram on the Node-Red. We will delete them, or delete. Then we will begin how to do this. And first, we can use this gateway. This is a Wi-Fi gateway. We have configured the SSID and the password for our route. This you can see our another videos how to configure this. And now the box is as a TCP server work mode, so it have a IP address. And all these remote, such as TV and air conditioning and the fans, all we can use. But now we can use this one for the fans. Just any infrared remote all can be controlled. How to judgment whether the remote is infrared? There is an easy way. Just open your Android phone. Use a camera. With a camera, then you can see this. You will find a red one. The red LED can see. And also, if this is a TV, the TV also can see the red LED. But if you remove the camera, you can't see this red by your eyes, because now I have used the digital video, so you can see the red. If you directly see by your eyes, I can't see this. Okay, when we choose a remote, then we begin to use the Node-Red. We can also use the HomeKit. We use the HomeKit node and a switch node. This is our defined for the fan. This code cannot change. And the type we choose the fan. And the name also the fan. And the service choose fan name. Okay, this is a note. It's very easy. And choose the switch. The switch we double click, then we just for judgment the on. We have said this on is the HomeKit's property. If true, we win. And if false, we two. Okay. Then we use two function. And we can send a command by the TCP out. Use this box. And click TCP out also connect to the point. This I have already know the IP and the port. Down. And connect this, and the fan. Okay. How to let the box know which button I have pressed and what's the signal? So we just add two inject to learn the button. This is for button 1 and this is for button 2. And there is a command for learning the IR remote key, and also another command for the learned button signal to send out instead of this one. We can open the KinCony's website and go to this way, document. And we found the protocol. This smart home gateway KC868G is our used. This is the communication protocol. We just open this file. This is infrared remote control protocol, and this is RF radio frequency control protocol. In this video, we will use this one. So we can, the first step to learn the IR signal, and the second step, we can send the IR signal. So the first, this is the send command. We just copy. It's very easy. Copy, and we double click. Choose the string because our command is string, and paste. This is key 1, button 1. We can large for it. We just send this command. This one means the first channel button, the first button, and all this number all is fixed, not to change. You can see this all is fixed, never changed. So you just change the number 1, and also you want to learn the key 2, just change number 2, and the key 3, number 3. So it's just change this number is okay. Okay, down. And this is for, we can change our name. Study key 1. And now we can also define this ANSI string. And this is key 2, button 2. And also we rename this study key 2. Down. Okay, then we create 2 buttons. One is for key 1 and the second is key 2. We connect to this gateway and this gateway. When I press this, we can deploy. Okay, the deploy is connected, so it connected this gateway. When I press the study key, you can see D. Then we press this button. You can see D again. So the IR signal have been learned in this box. You can see our fence is running because I send the signal to this fence. So this is succeed, learned, and copied this signal to the box. And now we need to learn the second key. This is turning. We can click the button key to study. We press D. We press. Okay. Now the turning IR signal is successfully rendered. Okay. Now we have rendered the two signals to the box. We just use the concrete node to send this signal. If the first one, we just double click and also write the code. Write the code msg.payload, and this is stream to send the key 1 signal. We can, according to the protocol, this is send IR, this is send key 1. We just copy, and we press on this way, pressed this way down, and we copy this command to copy this string also to this way down, because our turn on and turn off is one button, so I copied this for on and off switch. If your device have two buttons, one button is for on and another button is for off, so you copy two different key to the different functions. Okay, this we have we can send the signal 1. We can deploy, and we first close the fence. Now we open our HomeKit and add successfully, and don't have. Now we can see this fence node, just this one. So we can press and add and input the pin code. Our pin code all is 1. So you can input 1111111 and add it, and next and down. Okay, now you can see this is a icon. We can just press, then you can see the fence is running. We press again, then you can see the fence is stopped running. When I press the button, you can see this box, this smart home box, have sent the signal, IR signal to this fence. It instead of this, just like this, send a signal to this device. So you can also learning the TV remote to send the TV signal, or is the air condition. Just put this box in front of them, or in front of them. It can send air signal to this, to all device. Just it can directly transmit the signal to the device. So this is how to control the device by the IR signal. It's very easy. Now we can also add another buttons. We can copy this code and put this, and this we can change a name, like this. We can change another pin code to, and change the name turning. And the switch we cannot change. And this we just send the second signal button we have learned. So we change 2. Also this we change 2. Send the second button, then line together. Okay, now we deploy. Now we open HomeKit again. Then you can see this button we can press. You can see two buttons. One is for this, and another is for these two nodes. So we can turn on the fans, and now we also can turn on the second. The second is turning. You can see this. If we don't want the turning, we just okay, it's fixed. And also we can stop and open and turning and not turning and turning again and not turning. Okay, I think it's very easy. It's very easy to use. So you can create many buttons, such as this button, and this button. You can all together on your Node-Red. I think it's very easy to do this by the Node-Red and on the Raspberry Pi. So later, we will also make new videos for this Node-Red project for country other device, like the RF, the frequency video device. So I think you will have interesting. Thanks for watching.